Hello friends, today in this video I am going to present two very important mathematical concepts. One is a golden ratio and another is a fractal. So what is fractal? Fractal is something about symmetry, and like we know symmetry is very important in our nature. As you see mountains, rivers, trees, anything you can see. So there is a symmetry like in our human body. There is a bilateral symmetry. So why these things are important in mathematics? And another thing is the golden ratio. What is golden ratio? Golden ratio is something which defines beauty. If you define something beautiful, then you can use the golden ratio. So to know these answers, I am at IIT Gandhinagar. Let's have a look.
See a self similarity. It's called as evolving symmetry. So when you zoom it, the part which is inside it has a very similar shape as to what the earlier part had. Again, if you zoom further in, you will see that the part there has a similar shape to what the whole shape looks like. This is something called as fractals. So there are a number of examples where fractals arise in nature. It's actually a mathematical concept. So fractal is a geometric object or a mathematical set, you can say, which has self-similarity in the sense of zooming in and then you see the similar shape. So where do fractals arise in nature? So you can see them arising in patterns on stones in mountains. You can see them arising in vegetables like Romanesco broccoli. So there is this broccoli, and if you look at this cone-shaped thing, and there are many smaller cone-shaped things inside, and inside that one particular smaller cone-shaped thing you will see further cone-shaped things. So that is an example of a fractal. Another thing where fractal arises are in river networks. So I mean, this is an incredible thing where you can see many examples through nature which inspire us to study mathematics, and that is how nature helps us in understanding mathematics.
So this entire architecture, you'll see that this ratio of phi has been manifested in the entire piece as such. That's why you'll see that it is a pleasing architecture, right? So this is in man-made architecture, good or pleasing architectures, this golden ratio has been manifested. So the same thing has been depicted over here. That is a dilapidated structure now. Now if you just trim it, you'll be able to see that a framework of golden ratio in all aspects, which is a outer thing or inner thing or a micro thing, etc. Golden ratio phi, you can say aesthetically pleasing, beautiful, right? That is a little perhaps not for mathematics. It doesn't have any metric. If you want to arrive at some sort of metric by a number or some such thing, this phi is the one which gives you that metric of so-called beauty, aesthetics, etc. aspects. For instance, if you just take the music compositions, right? Music composition, normally the climax of the composition comes around somewhere around 62% or so, not in the middle or at the end. So this 62% forms 1:1.62. So the music composition itself, it is embedded, manifested with the golden ratio composition, right? And reverse also in the way they flow and the pattern they make, that phi is embedded. So anything that, whether it's a natural thing, man-made thing, or anything that you say beautiful or aesthetically looking, you see that manifestation of phi. And another thing, nature is sprouting of the trees. right? What you do is you plant one seed, and from that one sprout comes, next two sprouts come, next three sprouts come, and if you just go on seeing the way the tree grows, it follows Fibonacci sequence in a natural way, unless you try to do trimming and other things. If you just allow, say, neem tree or any of those things, allow it, starting from the one sprout, and then two sprouts, and then three sprouts, five sprouts. So the tree, natural beauty, is it contains a manifestation of fire. So like that, anything that you see beautiful, man-made or natural, or even mathematically, it is a beautiful equation, you see. So anything that you feel beautiful or aesthetically looking, then you'll be assured that the manifestation of fire is present.